Are you spending all your time on business strategies that keep you busy but don't actually move the needle in your business? That is a recipe for disaster and not to mention burnout. Now, if you're a coach, consultant, or a course creator, stay with me because in the next 10 minutes, I'll share the 4 worst business strategies to avoid in the coming year, along with a simple way to realign your business with the life that you desire. Hi, I am Vena Verga-Danemar, a lawyer and entrepreneur and the founder of Legally She Can. Now, over the years, I've worked with dozens of women business owners just like you, helping them align their business strategies with their goals while staying legally protected. I've seen the same mistakes derail so many incredible women, and you need to avoid them like a plague. Alright, so number 1 on the list is this: spreading yourself too thin by trying to be everything to everyone. Now, one of the most common mistakes is trying to do it all, helping everyone, saying yes to every opportunity, and offering every service you can think of. It's easy to fall in this trap when you're afraid that focusing on a niche will limit your clients, or when you see competitors seemingly doing everything like master classes, networking events, podcasts, blogs, YouTube, without considering if they actually align with your strengths or the life that you want to build. Now, most of the time, you do it because you feel the pressure to keep up or because of FOMO, the fear of missing out. But here's the truth: spreading yourself too thin, whether by catering to everyone or trying to do everything, doesn't lead to real success. In fact, it can lead to burnout and confusion for both you and your audience. And it also puts you in a cycle of busy work that doesn't really deliver real results. So, what is the solution? Focus on your core offer and unique strengths. Identify an audience that you can truly serve and focus on meeting their needs. Focus on your unique selling proposition instead of copying everyone. So let's say you are a health coach. You can focus on perimenopausal women who are dealing with their teenage daughters while also experiencing hormonal changes in their own body. I will pay for that service. Now, you need to learn their pain points, their fears, their goals, and align your offers to their needs and wants. As a lead magnet, you can offer a checklist of identifying if a person is in their perimenopausal stage. And as for your offers, you can create a digital course that can give them the knowledge how to cope with the stage, or you can have a group coaching session perhaps. And because you are hyper focused, it is easier for people to see you as an expert in that field or the topic. So don't try to be a jack of all trades. Become the master of one. And when you simplify and get intentional, you will attract the right clients who will resonate with your message. A clear, focused business isn't just easier to manage, it is far more effective and more fulfilling. Alright, so next up on the worst business strategies that will spell disaster in 2025 is this: lowering your fees and undervaluing your work. Lowering your fees to attract clients or relying on low ticket offers might seem like an easy way to gain traction, but it often backfires because pricing too low devalues your expertise and attract clients who don't respect your work. Low ticket offers like a $27 ebook or a mini course also comes with their own challenges. They require massive sales volume to generate meaningful income. And with such minimal margins, running ads to scale your reach becomes nearly impossible. So you simply cannot absorb the cost, leaving you reliant on time-consuming organic marketing efforts. And instead of building momentum, you end up hustling for minimal reward. So what is the solution? You need to recognize the value of your time, your expertise, and your knowledge, and price your services accordingly. Instead of offering low-ticket items or heavily discounted services, focus on creating high-value offers that reflect the transformation that you provide. So for example, rather than offering a $27 course, you could design a coaching program that solves a specific small problem that your client is facing. It might feel too simple for you, but it's not for your client. And solving that one problem effectively helps your client see the value that you bring and builds trust, making it more likely that they will invest in your higher cost programs. So let's say you are a professional coach. You could offer a focused service like a CV review at a fraction of the cost of a full coaching program. And this allows you to give your client a tangible result while showing them the quality of your work. But remember, don't undervalue your time. You need to bill appropriately based on the value that you deliver, even when you are just solving a very small problem. When your prices align with the value that you deliver, you attract clients who respect your expertise and are willing to invest in quality. And these clients are more likely to follow through, achieving results, and appreciate the work that you've done together. And that is how you build a sustainable business. Now, up next is wasting time on unproductive activities. Now, one of the most common mistakes business owners make is spending time on activities that don't move the needle. Endless discovery calls, creating content without a clear strategy, or micromanaging every detail may feel productive, but they often fail to deliver meaningful results. And the same applies to strategies that consume significant time but yield unpredictable outcomes because you don't have a solid follow up or sales strategy. So, for example, hosting frequent webinars or joining every summit out there. While these tools can be great opportunities to connect with your audience, without a clear action plan after that event, you end up spending hours creating presentations, promoting that event, and delivering value only to have participants walk away without taking the next steps. So instead of participating in 10 summits or webinars next year, how about focus on one or two? Design an event in such a way that you're able to lead your prospects to a high value offer. And for those who will not become clients right away, make sure that you have a structured nurture sequence that can speed up their buying decisions so that the next time that you offer, they are ready to buy. Now, this ensures that your efforts translate into tangible results for your business. So, the key is to build your business on solid foundations, a clear offer, consistent systems, and efficient processes that allow you to scale without the chaos. By letting go of unproductive busy work and focusing on what truly matters, you will create the time and the space to grow a business that aligns with your goals and the life that you really want. Alright, so the last strategy that will spell disaster for you next year is this: relying too much on social media popularity. Social media can be a powerful tool, but relying on it as a foundation to your business, that is risky. And why? Because trends shift, algorithms change, and likes don't pay the bills. Now, chasing likes, followers, and engagement might feel like progress, but it's not a solid business plan or strategy because you cannot control social media, and anything that you cannot control shouldn't play a major role in your business. But that doesn't mean that you should abandon social media altogether. I'm not saying that. Instead, use it intentionally. Social media works best as a tool to amplify your business, but not as the heart of it. So don't treat it like an influencer focusing solely on follower counts or viral content. Instead, focus on creating meaningful connections that drive a real result. You need to have a plan to convert visibility into paying clients. For example, guiding your followers towards an action like joining your email list or purchasing your services. Now, without this plan, you are left with a fleeting popularity that doesn't really translate into revenue or sustainable growth. The key is to make social media part of a broader strategy. Use it to build trust, showcase your expertise, and direct your audience towards a high value offer that forms the foundation of your business. When your business is grounded on real relationships and a solid plan, it can thrive with or without the latest trends. So, how do you make sure that you're actually focusing on the right strategies? Start by intentionally looking at your business and reflecting on the activities that you have accomplished this year. Then ask yourself, how much time did these tasks take? Did they bring me closer to my business goals? Did they bring prospects or clients, and by how much? Do they align with the life that I desire? Now, doing an inventory of your activities this year will help you see where you're spending your time and energy and whether these are the activities that actually move the needle for your business. And from there, you can start focusing on the tasks and strategies that actually create an impact both for your business and your life. So now that you know what not to do, you're probably asking, okay, but what should I focus on instead? Great question. Now, in the next video, I will share the key strategies that you need to include in your business so that you will thrive in 2025. And these strategies will save you time, protect your energy, and help you build a business that aligns with the life that you want. So you don't want to miss it. See you in the next video.